Peace and prosperity be unto all who's listening or watching. It's your girl, Shaeranea, right? And I'm back with another video. And guys, I want to say that when it comes to content, you either have a few focuses. You either focusing on giving someone a good laugh. You know, people either are looking at your content to laugh, looking at your content to be educated, looking at your content to, transform and grow. People are either looking at your content to excel, expand, but that's like transformation. So there's only a few reasons why people are looking at your content. And the best thing, no matter what you're doing, whether it's funny, whether it's pranks, comedy, or either just education or teaching somebody a skill or something that you're really good at, the biggest focus you want to make sure that you focus on is make sure that you're delivering value and giving and providing information that not only helps them but excels them, and that it helps them in all aspects. So the biggest thing is just getting their attention and keeping their attention. That's the biggest thing about content. Like, some people, they only stay on your content for a certain period of time. But make sure that you don't bore them and you get your point across, because people easily lose interest in what you're saying if you don't get straight to the point. If you don't get down to what it is, what you have going on, then you will bore people and people will leave your content. Now, I'm a YouTuber and I know that the importance of keeping people watching my videos for a long period of time, the longer I keep people watching my videos, the more money I can make. So I know the importance of having people remain and stay on my content and making valuable content that will keep people on my channel watching. And I know that to be important because, I'm a YouTuber, I'm monetized, and, I'm a partnership with YouTube now. So, and I've been working really hard to get to this place, but I still have a long way to go. I have a lot I want to achieve with YouTube, but I'm not there yet, and I'm still working on it. But the biggest point to all of this is to say that if you're not getting value to the people, giving them something that they can actually use in their life, or easing them from a pain, or helping them through a hard time, or because everybody in the world is going through something, and everybody knows a little bit of something, because everybody has experienced a lot of different things in their lives, and we all have our own experience. A lot of us have learned to overcome different things, so we have our own mechanisms and ways of overcoming those specific things. We all have a way of teaching, but what's most important is we provide the value of what we learn in that process, provide it to the people who need it most in their process, and help deliver a transformation that is life-changing unto them. Now, I'm somebody who believes in helping people be the greatest versions of themselves. So, with that being said, I have an amazing group that I'm creating, and I want all you guys to be a part of it. But the biggest exception to this is you have to be an individual who is looking to have a stronger connection and relationship with yourself. Now, if you're not looking to be better, looking to improve, looking to educate or be better, start from one place to get to another, then this group is not for you. This group is solely to help people become more one, more connected, more in love, more in knowing and acknowledging self-worth, self-love, and being wholly committed to their selves, to their dreams, and their obligations. and being a full force in life, that no matter what happens, they will always have that strong sense of self-love and self-worth because they have that strong connection and relationship with themselves. And ultimately, if you have a great relationship with you, you can have great relationships with everybody. So if you're interested in being a part of that group that I'm working on, just let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely send you the link. Now, make sure you're somebody who's serious and somebody who wants to be better, because ultimately you want to be around the people with the same mindset. If you're somebody who, matter of fact, it could be for people who aren't sure, people who procrastinate, people who are uncertain. I could definitely help you with those things, but I need to know that you're serious about yourself. How serious are you about getting the results you want for your life? Because all of it starts with ourselves, and ultimately when it starts with us, it starts with our mindsets. It starts with our mindsets, and the way we think ultimately affects our life. So this is the reason why I say deliver value. Content is everything, because content is king and consistency is king. But you want to make sure that when you are delivering constant value, you want to make sure that you're giving something that people can use, like this. People can use it right away, and it can help them, right? You want to be in a position where you're helping lots and lots of people, right? That is the biggest key point. That is the biggest thing you want to be focused on, and ultimately that is the most greatest joy, helping people be the best, and also you being your best as a example of how other people should be. Not saying that people should idolize you, but I'm saying you want to be a stepping stone, or not stepping stone, I really don't like that, but you want to be an example of what people would want to be more of, more inspired, more ambitious, more in love with yourself, whatever it is that you desire for yourself, then this is the group for you. So I want you guys to know that when making content, make sure that you grab their attention and that you get them front center, and that you make sure that they're focused, that they're engaged, and that you get to the point, and that you allow them to know how you can help them. That is the most important thing about providing content and delivering value. Love you guys.